everybody. I just wanted to show you guys real quick two things, how I can find leaps on the flow. Also, I want to show you guys about the put call ratio. I think this will be helpful for you going forward. All right, so first things first, I'm on Tradytics.com. I go to the live flow. Then I filter it. I don't want any spreads. Then I look for leaps. And then a lot of times I just want to see the out of the money. Sorry about that. I want to see the out of the money plays here. So once I got those filters selected, I can do this. I also can come over here and choose volume over open interest. In this example, I won't do it, but you can see as soon as I do it, it's going to pull up those that a lot of people are buying. That may not have as high as an open interest, but the bid and ask spread will be a lot tighter. Okay. So you may decide you want that on or not. I'll just leave it on since I clicked it. And then once I get here, let's say I really want one that's super cheap. Now understand this is live flow. So this is what is happening today. So I'll come over here, I'll hit price. And now guess what? It's sorting it by the cheapest to the largest. So XLU, for example, they're about 50,000 $30 puts on XLU for 10 cents a piece. Expiration date is December the 18th. Here's another one. PBR calls, September 18th, $29 strike, 11 cents each. All of these are super inexpensive. You can sort them however you want to. For those looking for these type of plays, I think that'll be great for you. The second thing, for the sake of time, that I want to share with you guys is the put call ratio. I know I've been talking about it for about a week or so, but let's just go a little bit deeper on it so you can see it. Now, understand the peak is usually at 1. We did actually go up to 1.03. I didn't think that was ever possible today. So the higher it is, the more puts are being bought. Volatility is extremely high, meaning the VIX is high. But the lower this goes, that means calls are entering the market as well. But again, like if you're looking at it from the daily, it's just pretty much all consolidated. We see a lot of ups and downs on it. But also, if you go to Tradytics, this is one other thing I'll share, is that when you're looking here at the live flow, and we'll just go to just the normal default with no filters, it also gives you a ratio of calls and puts different from the PCC. So you can see it kind of real time with the live flow as well. But PCC is how you can see it, the put to call ratio on TradingView. And these are all tools to make your trading journey a little bit easier. Hope this helps you.